Hey everyone, Lucas Paul here. In maintenance, shift handover can be beautiful, or let's be honest, it can be a crime scene. Someone said something somewhere in some work order, and now everybody is looking for it. So I built a small but very useful feature in EAM search comments. Nothing gigantic, no rocket launch, no magic button that fixes the entire plant. Just one of those simple tools that makes people say, why didn't we have this earlier? On the left side, you see the open work orders. On the right side, you see the comments. So instead of opening work order after work order, clicking around like a detective with too much coffee, you get the full picture in one place. Work order, status, priority, object, and most importantly, the real comments from the real work. You can filter by object, status, job type, priority, or simply type whatever you are looking for. A pump, a customer, a night shift, note, that one mysterious comment from yesterday that everybody talks about, but nobody can find. Now, boom, there it is. This makes it perfect for shift handovers. The outgoing team can quickly show what is still open, what is being checked, what needs attention, and where the next team should focus. No guessing, no endless scrolling. No, I think someone mentioned it somewhere. Just clear information. And here comes my favorite part. With one click, you can generate a PDF from the current filter. So whatever you are looking at right now, exactly that selection can be exported and shared for the next shift, for a supervisor, for documentation, or simply because someone will absolutely ask for a PDF anyway. They always do. It is a small feature, but it removes a lot of daily friction. Because in maintenance, the big problems are not always big systems. Sometimes the problem is just, where is the information? Search comments brings the information back to the surface. Open work orders, hey outcomes, fast filtering, instant PDF. If you found this useful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more practical EAM tips, automation ideas, and smart tools for real maintenance work. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.